Hello everyone. This is question 2A for ISC class 11th and 12th English language paper, which is paper 1, SOP, Statement of Purpose. In ISC class 12th English paper 1, directed writing is a 15 marks task evaluated on content 12 marks and expression 3 marks. This is an exercise in amplification. So, whatever is provided to you must be amplified. You must transform provided bullet points into a structured, well developed piece such as a feature article, book review, report, or blog using your own words and clear paragraphing. Core golden rules. Cover all points, address every single prompt or bullet point given in the question. Missing one hurts your content score. Amplify and expand. Do not just repeat the bullet points, expand each point with relevant details, examples, or explanations. Write in your own words. Avoid copying direct phrases from the question paper. Paraphrase intelligently. Paragraph organization. Break your work into logical paragraphs, 4 to 5 minimum, giving each key idea its own space. Common format and tense. Statement of purpose. Profile written mostly in the first person, focusing on personal traits, milestones, motivations, and future goals. Keep it 300 words, typically fitting onto 1 to 2 pages maximum. Paragraph structure. Introduction. First paragraph. Hook the reader's attention and state clearly which degree and program you are targeting. Academic and professional background. 2 to 3 paragraphs. Detail relevant undergraduate work, major projects, research, internships, or professional experience. Why this program? Tell this in one paragraph. Explain your specific motivation for choosing this exact university, referencing faculty members, labs, or unique coursework. Future goals. Elucidate this in one paragraph, which means explain your future goals. Outline your short term and long term professional or academic objectives in this paragraph. Conclusion. Write this in one paragraph. Deliver a brief summary statement reinforcing your fit and value as the most suitable candidate. Most users on grad admissions agree that you should avoid adding explicit section headings like introduction or my background within the text. Let the paragraphs transition naturally instead. But again, with a word of caution, stick to your question paper. If they specify in the bullets, you need to use them as they have given the guided writing pattern in the form of some value points. So kindly use them when you make your paragraphs. Keep this in mind. Statement of purpose sample. Write an SOP for admission into a prestigious university to study literature based on the following points: name of the school, name of the course, interest in the course, academic achievement, other achievements, positive traits. Statement of purpose. My goal is to attend a well respected university with a strong literature graduate degree. I want to be involved in this prestigious institution that will both provide and allow me the opportunity to grow, develop, and be challenged in my understanding of a subject area that I feel is my niche. During the final months of my class 12th at Kerala Public School, I attended a guest lecture on American literature delivered by Professor Smith, which attracted me towards literature and aroused in me a keen interest to pursue an undergraduate course in the same. I was immediately fascinated by the idea that the written word is immortal and capable of altering not only individual lives but also nations on the whole. I realized that literature is something more than what we've been comprehending. Ruminating over the lecture, I could sense the vitality in me to create a tangible impact on my life and future. I have achieved 98.5% in the ICSE examination, scored 96.6 in the ISC examination, and have performed well in competitive examination. I have won the creative writing competition held at St. Thomas College in 2015 and 16. I have represented my school in basketball and table tennis in the year 2015 and 2016. The undergraduate program in English literature, which is being offered at Calcutta University, is well equipped to guide me towards my objective. It will not only accommodate my interdisciplinary interests, but also give me an insight into the history of literature right from the Middle Ages up to the present. Calcutta University provides education par excellence, and legendary alumni of the university has been a constant inspiration. I'm confident that I will greatly benefit under the able guidance of your learned faculty. Hence, I conclude urging you to consider my application, and I assure you that I will prove to be an asset to the university.